to PM is a bastard.
Hey, I will increase your salary.
Oh, daddy, look at me. Take me, I'm nothing.
I've already made billions when others now go can marry.
You are right, eh? Huh? Look at it.
I have made the money.
Yes.
How are you? How are you? How are you?
Do you know that man?
One of my boys.
Jesus.
Don't mind them.
Your voice.
Don't mind them. He's one of my boys. One of my boys.
Are you serious?
No problem. My brother, I'm billionaire. You understand?
Yes.
If you want to address me, if you put millionaire, I will minus your salary.
If you can hear this, right?
That's no problem. Tell me why you're here. This is the house.
Yeah, that's the house.
My brother, I don't need portrait.
This is. Do you know how much this house worth?
Get a billionaire like me. No. I don't need a portrait. I hate insults. Anime high chief like me, billionaire like me. They are single this kind of thing. For what? For what? Eh? Na biko boy ke kan wan jibiaba. Boy ke kan let the get. Oba na go cholo makara se ba po. Amas na mi we. Don't provoke me. Don't provoke me.
I will take you to another place. I have another mansion.
Look at
very marvelous.
You have another mansion. Then why did you bring me at the first place?
Let's go. As we are going.
Una na pale mmadu. It's
sorry.
Huh?
It is
Nonsense. Cholo makara ko se ba po biko.
As we are going, we will see bike. Daddy. Calm down.
Even my chicken cannot stay in this house. Must work on a billionaire high chief. It's any bigger easy.
I will show you one of my mansions. I have many mansions.
It must come already.
Chief, come
down. Because not know me.
Hello? Bye. All this one, no one come. The whole billionaire chief. Now the jet will like this kind of fine house in the jet. On a talk and buy Kojana. Chief, I'm coming.